Wanna know how to merge two arrays into one in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, if you want to combine two arrays, it's simple. First, we create a new array with a size equal to both arrays combined. Then, we use system.arrayCopy function. So, we use that to copy the first array starting at index 0. Then we copy the second array starting right after the end of the first. Finally, we print the merged array. It's fast, memory efficient, and avoids manual loops. This technique is super useful when you want to combine datasets quickly. So right here we can see two arrays post up, and now we just simply use another array. We just created an integer merged array, and then we just simply combine it both. Now, once that is done, right here we simply use the function as we had said before, the system array copy function, and then we merge them up and finally print it. And that's it. Now you just run this code to test it and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.